we only get married once, so you know, let's not worry about the weather.
Well, speaking about the weather, why don't we take a look at what's coming next? First of all, you've got live radar on here now, so this is just the last hour. In other words, this is what's happening right now. Scattered showers are going to continue to move across the bay. It's going to go like this for much of the rest of tonight and then lighten up for a time tomorrow, because the main event really is tomorrow. I want you to see what happens tomorrow in terms of the difference. I've taken us ahead in the Futurecast to tomorrow at about 4:45. See the cold front out here? This is the main event. This is going to sweep across the entire bay, starting in the North Bay about 4 o'clock, and then work its way from there for everybody else. So let's kind of go slowly with this, because I want you to see how this times out and when it hits your part of the bay. And let's pause it for a moment right here as it comes right across the city and just puts itself right in the middle of the entire bay. It's going right through San Francisco here. See the time there? 6:45 tomorrow p.m. So this is your Saturday. By this point, that cold front will have already raked across the North Bay. And what it brings with it is fairly intense rain as it crosses your part of the bay, pretty gusty winds right along the leading edge of it, small hail with any of these isolated thunderstorms. And this would probably be your most likely opportunity in this whole 3-day event to experience one of these isolated thunderstorms. It's going to come in along this line. It's not a guarantee they'll be in this, but this does have the makeup of the kind of cold front that's capable of producing thunderstorms when it sweeps across the bay. So it started in the North Bay around 4 o'clock, gets down to San Francisco here in the 6 o'clock hour. Let's bring it forward from there. It's going to slowly march its way south, down the peninsula, works its way across the East Bay, gets down into the Santa Clara Valley by the time we've made it to about the 8 o'clock hour. Look at that, going all the way across Santa Cruz Mountains, extending clear down through Monterey. In fact, you can see Monterey's got its experience of this as well on the southern edge of it. So if you're in the South Bay or the Tri-Valley, because it's going to be the Tri-Valley back here as well, Livermore, you're right in the line. This is your time to get this. Brief heavy downpours, gusty wind, maybe some small hail, strike a lightning or two, which would probably be the most impactful thing. We showed you the video earlier of what a lightning strike did to a redwood tree in the North Bay earlier today, and that was with fewer of the thunderstorms we're expecting. All right, by the time we get to about 9 o'clock, that line has cleared. But that's not the end of this. Let me show you what happens next from there. For that, I want to go to a slightly bigger perspective on how this storm is put together. So we'll watch it one more time. There goes that cold front. We've just watched what this is going to do when it sweeps across the bay. So let's look at the next phase. For the next phase, we need a slightly larger picture. That's the center of the whole system. Counterclockwise spin is then going to sweep through the bay Sunday morning, pre-dawn hours. So before sunrise on Sunday, watch that thing spin right into the bay. And this will also bring its share of isolated thunderstorms. Some of this will extend into the late morning hours. We're already in the 10 o'clock hour, and that's a pretty good opportunity for more brief heavy rain, isolated thunderstorms, and then by the time we get to Monday, it's done. We still have a ways to go with it. Look at the rainfall that is still to fall. This does not take into account the rain that we got today. This is what happens tonight through tomorrow. We're going to pick up about another 2 inches of rain. And in the Sierra, this is going to be a very impressive Sierra snowstorm. We're going to get 2 to 3 feet now for some of the higher elevations up there. Very impressive. Travel in the Sierra will be very difficult, especially second half of Saturday and most of Sunday. I would avoid it. And boy, early next week's going to be great if you can get up there. All right, there's a 7-day forecast. We'll be done by the time we get to Monday. And we'll even warm up a bit from there. We will be right back after this.